We see and hear about civil servants through mass media, like television and also newspapers, and also in cinema also and serials. We see many civil servants in sometimes glorious roles, sometimes very inspiring roles, and sometimes not so inspiring roles also. So whatever be the perception of civil service, now the reality is that several youngsters and several students are aspiring to become civil servants. And most of them are aspiring to become really good civil servants to build our nation, which needs a lot of improvement in several areas. India is still ranked as a country with a lot of poverty, lot of unemployment, a lot of issues in productivity in industries and agriculture and services, inefficiencies and low productivity. India is again ranked as a country which is not very good in attracting investment or doing business. So we should make our country attractive to do business with a lot of public infrastructure and other investment climate. India is also ranked as one of the countries which is very corrupt. Transparency International and World Bank has ranked our country very low on corruption. So we need to have excellent role model civil servants who fight against this corruption, so that our country will be a developed country. Our country will assure higher quality of life to all its people. So all these requirements and needs of our country can be satisfied if we have highly committed, highly competent and visionary, creative civil servants. So today's youngsters who wants to have a high quality of life and also to assure that our country is one of the best in the world should really take a decision that I will join civil service in this country and I will make this country. It is my responsibility that I will work for this country and also in a work which will give me maximum leverage and also maximum resources and also maximum options and opportunities to convert this country or transform this country from the present state of deficiencies and inefficiencies and lack of a good feel to a vibrant, to an efficient, to a well developed and also a sustainable country. And to achieve all these aspects, you should take the decision to join the civil service, and that decision you can take early in your life when you are in 5th standard or 8th standard, or when you are in college, or whenever that spark comes to your mind that I want to be a partner in building our country, building my nation, and when that spark comes, you should start preparing for civil service. And then once you take that decision and also a disciplined, determined follow-up action, you will reach there and become a partner to build this nation.